nice, beautiful, tall plant. It was reaching probably close to almost all the way up to here. Okay guys, I just took my knife and chopped that off, and we'll see how it goes. Over here in this pepper, I went ahead and co-planted a basil plant. We'll see how they do together. Companion plant, I guess I should say. Once again, I got flowers blooming here, and that looks pretty good. And I think I'm gonna throw another basil plant right in here, so it can try to grow with the tomato, because I know tomato and basil grows good together. Well, I don't know how good that'll do and how much light it'll get, but I'm gonna lower this light up here back down, because you know the tomato plant isn't another 2-3 feet tall anymore. So we'll see what we can get. So I got 2 companion plants here, and we got these going on. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.